love the chase and the hunt. I set the pace when I'm running. I'm always getting what I want, and I'm always getting one on you. Don't need a big one, but it play the game like it's nothing. I'm always needing for something. Don't take for granted. Say I'm it's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break things. Make a better man. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity. Over everything.
Hi guys, kamusta? It's been a while. Nandito na naman po ako at nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod, Nyzah, the Lady Rider. Bago ang lahat, magpagas muna tayo. Alright guys, so today is meron tayong dadaluhin na event, ang Dragon Extreme Endurance Challenge. Tayo po ay kasali sa larong ito, kaya good luck sa atin. Ngayong umaga ay papunta tayo sa Commercial Clark para magpa PRI. Ayan, at medyo malapit na tayo. Kasama ko nga pala si Bro RB. Ayan siya sa ating harapan, yung nakamotor na yan na may top box, sniper. Kaya good luck talaga sa aming dalawa. At namali pala kami ng pasok, dun pala sa kabila ang entrance. Alright, at nandito na kami. At teka lang muna guys, at magpapa PRI muna kami. Okay na po, ako, Nyzah.
Ay, si ano, si
So we're done with the PRI. Let's go at pumila na tayo sa grid. Ipila na natin ang ating motor. Alright. Yan, at nakapila na ang ating motor at tayo nangunguna sa mga lady rider na dumating sa PRI. Hintay-hintay lang tayo niyan. Mamayang gabi pa yung ating take off, 12 midnight.
Better believe in your mind, 'cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 aftermath. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just get me up. Don't be scared.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Last photo ops, then back to Pampanga. Alright, at pabalik na tayo ng Pampanga nito para sa last checkpoint and finish line. Bago matapos ang vlog na ito, shoutout muna kila Pops Tam at Daddy Bong at pati na rin sa aking grupo na Adbelers Riders Club. Shoutout sa inyong lahat, guys.
Ang lakas.
Ito na guys, finish line na.
Kalinguran dinalupian. Ay, sakit sa likod. Ha? Passport. Hindi.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change